Hello, how are you doing? We guess that a bit as we are at the moment. We are passing through difficult situations in a world that is complicated. Where is the good information? How to get knowledge? What to do? Are we going to wait to see what happens? Are we going to take action? We have decided to take action and to control our attention. We have decided to create a club of critical thinking, and we have the recipe. Would you like to know it? Here it is, all for you.
Just as we go to the gym to exercise our bodies, we must exercise our minds. Exercising our critical thinking is very healthy. It's not difficult and it makes us better citizens. The University of Alicante's lifelong learning programme, UPUA, accepted and supported our project. They provide us with the physical space as well as technical and personal resources for our meetings. Rosa Torres gave us the project outlines.
Critical thinking can be understood as a state of the mind that allows us to face uncertainty. It means formulating questions to understand, as fully as possible, what is happening, why it is happening, and who is involved. Naturally, it also means seeking answers, paying close attention to and analyzing the many arguments that claim to explain situations or problems. It is the conscious and responsible search for information in order to discern.
Once the course objectives are defined, the schedule is developed and the necessary collaborations are arranged. Ideally, each session should broaden the participants' perspectives. We have secured the collaboration of specialists who help us structure our thinking, but the main target is peer learning. This project is aimed at those who want to exercise their critical thinking and live their lives in a more conscious and engaged way. Attracting them and ensuring they stay and grow in this spirit will be our greatest success. Achieving this goal is paramount.
So, how do you like it? Do you think you would like to do something similar, not the same, similar, adapted to what you want to do? If you decide to go forward, we would be very happy to hear from you, and we could be sharing information, cooperating, doing things together. Here it is our email, and we are looking forward to hear from you. Thank you very much.